Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I hope everything is great. In this video, I am going to share with you some tips on how to install light on your Christmas tree. Before I get started, let me take this moment to say, if you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I share glam home decor, cleaning and DIY videos, sometime a little bit of lifestyle. If you are into any of these things, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And to all of you, my fellow Glam Squad, thanks for stopping by today. I am so glad to see you here. Please check me out on Instagram at decor.glamstyle by Dalou, and on Facebook and TikTok at glamstyle with Dalou. I hope you guys had an amazing year and you are ready for Christmas. I just finished fluffing the tree. Now I'm gonna show you how to add light in the Christmas tree. This is the light that I'm gonna be adding on the tree. It is from Amazon. It's an LED string light. It has 2000 lights. It was sent to me by a vendor from Amazon. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. The light came with 2 packs of zip ties. I never received light with zip tie before, so I thought that was very interesting. And this is what the light looks like from the back. Before we start installing any light, it's always good to plug it in to make sure it works. First, I'm going to show you a couple of ways that I am not a fan of. Number one, I do not like to just lay the light on top of the branches. Something like this. As you can see, it is a very superficial application. There is no depth on the tree. The lights are not penetrating the tree. The second one, I do not like to lay my light in a vertical way. It takes a lot of light and it is time consuming. This is what it would look like in my opinion. It doesn't look good. Okay, you guys, normally I start putting my lights from the bottom to the top. And then I just lay the light on a zigzag pattern on a branch of a tree. I try not to wrap it around. I just lay it on it. This way, when it's time to remove the light at the end of the season, it will be very easy. And then when I get to the tip of a branch, I wrap it with the light to make sure the tip do have light. Basically, I'm taking the light in and out. Now I am on the second wall. I'm gonna keep going until I am done. Now one more time, let me show you. This is the trunk of the tree. I started putting the light all the way deep inside there and coming out with it. I use one of the small branches in there to hold the light to make sure the light stay there. That's what's gonna create the depth on the light, and when you look at the tree, you're gonna see the lights all the way inside. It makes it look like the lights are part of the tree or it was done by a professional. I'm gonna finish putting the lights on the tree and I will show you what it looks like. The last thing is to always remember to leave some lights for the topper. This is the final result. As you can see, it is very, very beautiful. The lights are displaying very nicely. There is depth in the Christmas tree when it comes to the lights. And you can see all the different modes on the light. The light seems to be good quality as well. I use one pack. This is a smaller Christmas tree. If you have a bigger one, you will definitely need 2 packs to get the same or similar look. As I mentioned, it is from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link for it in the description box. If you are looking for some beautiful lights for your Christmas tree this year, definitely check it out. Please tell me what you think about my Christmas light application approach. If you like it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Thanks to all of you for stopping by today. Remember before you leave to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get all of my videos, especially my Christmas videos coming up. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. I love you always. Bye bye. Mwah.